everybody, thank you for checking out this video today. I would like to go over my top 7 all-natural, essential oil only beard oils, and I'll kind of explain what that means and talk about preferences. But first, I should introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I love talking about beards and beard care, beard grooming, beard products. If that sounds good to you guys and you're excited to hear about this list, please hit a thumbs up for me on this YouTube video and consider subscribing if you want to learn more about beards. And let's start off with a definition, or kind of like a breakdown of what essential oils are. So pretty much with beard products, you have unscented, essential oils, and fragrance oils. Many companies use a mixture of essential and fragrance. Many companies offer unscented. The list today are beard oils that only use all natural carriers and they use essential oils. To kind of break down the difference, essentially essential oils are all natural. They are extracted from a source. If you see lavender, it is straight up from lavender, or it's a mixture of similar scents that come together to smell like that lavender. But there's nothing that is created in a lab. Now, on the fragrance side, it is created in a lab. Now, there's a spectrum. Sometimes it comes from natural sources. Sometimes it's just simply created. But there's something done to fragrance oils in a lab to make them more consistent, to make them oftentimes last longer, smell stronger, and essentially just be more controlled. On the essential oil side of things, it's nature. They're not perfect. They're gonna be different. They absolutely will fade and dissipate quicker. They're not gonna be as strong, and you have both sides. You can have allergies to fragrance oils. You can have allergies to essential oils. There's pros and cons. It truly, in my experience of years and years of doing this and hearing from so many of you, just comes down to personal preference. One's not better, one's not worse. It just depends what you like, and it's the same for this list, you guys. How did the products make the list today? They don't even know they're on this. There's no video idea out there to any of these companies. Nobody pays to be on here. Some of them are affiliates, meaning if you use my link or my code, I do get a commission. You do support the channel, but you don't have to use those. If you don't want to, no worries. And then there are some on here who are not affiliates, but I still wholeheartedly use and recommend to you guys. This is just my list of the ones that I use the most because number one, I enjoy the way it makes my beard feel, I enjoy the way it makes my beard look, and I enjoy the way it makes my beard smell. So let's jump into the list, guys, and just understand it's not about scent only here, it's the whole package. First one is, I believe at this time, the only essential oil blend that they offer, and that would be Cold Start by Beard Octane. This is a fresh mint scent. What they call this one here is it has hints of brisk peppermint, tingly tea tree, and fresh eucalyptus. Yes, to all of those things. Beard Octane is a thin viscosity, and it is that punch in your face with the mint, with the peppermint, with the tea tree. It just smells clean. It just smells fresh. This is on the thin side of viscosities with a great carrier blend. The next one, this is in no particular order, you guys, would be the Peppermint Rosemary from Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff. This would be on the medium viscosity, maybe medium light, maybe not full-blown medium, and it is. It is a straight up natural peppermint, a straight up natural rosemary that just come together in this beautiful marriage of earthy freshness. It doesn't have the same punch and bite that some of these other ones do with the peppermint that I'm gonna talk about, or like I just talked about. It just gives you a calm earthiness. My goodness gracious, does my beard style unbelievable with this oil? Does it feel amazing? Truly one of my most used oils of all time. Both of these first two, when I get choice days and I get to pick and I don't have to worry about what I'm testing for reviews, it's hard to look past those two, but luckily I have some other good options as well. The third one is going to be called Pinky from 8-Bit Beard Co. And this is pretty cool because 8-Bit was a company, and I have another story similar, where I really liked the owner. I really liked his carrier. I really liked so many things, but the scents weren't just for me. And so I was like, hey man, if you made some sense for me, I think we could have a really cool relationship. I would love your products. We designed an entire essential oil only line. New carrier blend, and you have this new essential oil blend. There's so many good ones, but I do wear Pinky the most, and this scent is pink grapefruit and crisp citrus. It is a grapefruit scent. There is some citrus in there to kind of mild out the like bite of it. I would call this a medium viscosity, pretty much sort of building up a little bit here, and it's fantastic. You do feel like there's nature in your beard when you use this one, and you do get the brightness, the punchiness, the tartness of that grapefruit in the best way possible. This is only gonna last the smell in your beard an hour or two maybe. You might get a couple of whiffs throughout the day, but these things are not lasting, and guess what? That's my preference. I actually like that. I like the experience of smelling it when I put it in beard and then let it slowly kind of fade away and then feel the difference of the beard oil, not just smell it. All right, the next one is going to be Winter Solstice from Tabletop, and this is a beard company here. This one is awesome. Their Winter Solstice has a scent profile of winter mint and pine. The first real introduction on this list of pine with the essential oil. Same kind of family with that mint. I do get like, I don't know if it's vanilla in there or what it is, but something that's nice and sweet, nice and smooth. And then you get that mountaintop freshness of the pine, that real earthiness of the pine. It does have a bite, but in a different way than grapefruit. More so in that kind of like tea tree type family. Absolute banger here. Look at that golden oil right on there. Gorgeous. This company's just getting started and I'm very excited for the future of them. Their stuff works absolutely awesome. Same kind of deal. I would go a medium viscosity for this one. Next one is going to be Invigoration by Artius Man. And the really cool thing with Invigoration, this has done so well. It is now across their lineup from head hair shampoo to body wash to beard products, everything, even shaving cream for those of you guys that shave your head out there. This one's awesome. Similar story. Loved Artius Man, loved the owners. The normal oil was too thick for me. They said, why don't we make a thin blend from you? So I was able to help them create the carrier blend. And they said, why don't you just go ahead and make the scent as well? And so we made this Invigoration scent. Now this one is pretty unique here. It's not just your normal mint. For the scent on this one, we have peppermint, bergamot, tea tree, green mandarin, and neroli. You get a beautiful blend of citrus and mint that's still gonna punch you in the face with that invigorating, brisk, whoa, not fully Vicks or like totally menthol, but it's flirting with it. It's in that family. This is a thin viscosity, straight up thin. Beard Octane and Invigoration would both be on that thin side and are the two thin oils that I really use. Two more, you guys. Next one up is a company that's known for their strong, complex, and long-lasting scent profiles, but did you know that they do have essential oil-only offerings? And that would be the Sweet Bastard by Luxurious Bastard. This is sweet fruit, fresh fruit, citrus in your face, boom, done. You smell this and you're like, yep. That smells like somebody busted open a lime and then somebody next to them busted open a lemon and you get the zest. You get that, like, you know when you peel a lime, you peel an orange, you peel a lemon and you get that smell on your hands? That's what this is right here. Without that artificial sweetness where you're like, ooh, smells like cough syrup or ooh, smells like a candle. Luxe, oh my goodness gracious, medium viscosity, one of the most popular brands in the community. You'll hear some comments about them. They do have essential oil only offerings, which I love. And then the last one, another kind of company really coming on, but I'm loving what they're doing. They've launched their own essential oil line, and I could go with any of them. I really enjoy them, but I'm gonna go with Refresh today, and this is from Dead Man's Beard Co. Refresh from Dead Man's Beard Co. And this one is lime, lemon, and peppermint. So again, obviously there's some similarities here. It's my preferences, right? It's what I like and what I use. But if you notice, like the last one was like, oh, we got that zesty citrus. Then the other one, oh, we had some interesting citrus and mint. We got some other interesting ones here with lemon, but also bringing in that peppermint, also bringing in that lime. They're all related, but have their unique traits to them as well. And this blend is, again, I would go probably a medium viscosity on this one. Super unique, you guys. I didn't want to make this a super long video and read out every ingredient of every carrier blend. That's going to be a lot of reading there, but I encourage you guys to check out each one. They are awesome. They are all natural, pure essential oils, and they're so dang good. I genuinely recommend every single one that's on this list. I would like to hear from you guys. Two questions. Number one, Do you prefer fragrance or essential oil? Or do you like to dabble with both? Do you have something outside you only use unscented? Let me know your thoughts on your preferences with fragrances down below. And then number 2, have you tried any of these? Give us some feedback on that essential oil blend out there. I know you have. I want to hear the good, the bad, the other. If it wasn't for you, that's okay. Share it, please. It's a safe place. If you love it, if it's your favorite, share that as well. We really enjoy this. I appreciate all the support, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to share this out, that's amazing. If you want to comment, that's amazing. I appreciate you. Thank you, guys. Dancy Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.